सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम अपना न्यू टॉपिक पढ़ने वाले हैं, दैट इज़ रोमन न्यूमरल्स। आपको रोमन न्यूमरल्स तो पता ही है, हाउ टू राइट देम, हाउ टू add, subtract them, how to make a large number, we will see in today's lesson. चलो आज का लेसन हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. So what is this? Here is a symbols and values. Here is a symbols of a Roman numerals and नीचे में उसके वैल्यूज़ है विच दे इंडिकेट. देखो, देयर आर 7 बेसिक न्यूमरल्स. हाउ मेनी न्यूमरल्स? देयर आर 7 बेसिक न्यूमरल्स. विच आर देम? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. And below them there are values of them. So I represent value 1. V represent value 5. X represent value 10. L represent value 50. C represent value 100. And D represent value 500. And M represent value 1000. So symbols and their values you see now. Then next to the jump to the next. Here are the rules for making Roman numerals. Okay, what is first? First is rule of repetition. Second, rule of addition. Third is rule of subtraction. So let us see first rule, rule of repetition. What is this? When a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, when a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. How? See here. नीचे देखो क्या है, हिंदू अरबिक न्यूमरल्स. फर्स्ट बॉक्स में क्या है? 10. If we write 20, then what we do? We write 2 times x, means 10 into 2, what we get? 20. If we want number 30, so what we do? We write 3 times x. What is that? 10 into 3 is equals to 13. So when a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. Then next, symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated thrice times at maximum. Symbol I means 1, X means 10, C means 100 and M means 1000. This Roman numerals can be repeated maximum only 3 times. See, in the first, here is a 10, 20 and 30. What is in the fourth box? There is a 40. But what is say that I, X, C and M Roman numerals can be repeated only maximum thrice. But here X is repeated 4 times and we have to write number 14. So how we write it? We write this number X L. This number shows the number 14, but we can't write 4 times X. We write X and L. Okay. Then next, symbol V, L and D are never repeated. Symbol V, L and D never repeated. V means 5, L means 15 and D means 1000. Never repeated. Here is a number 10 which can be written as double V also. But rule is says that VLD never be repeated, so we can't write like this. We can write only like this, means we can only write x for 10. Okay. Then next rule, what is the next rule? Rule of addition. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of a higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Means if a smaller value symbol is placed at the right side of the higher value, then we have to add them. Here see that what is this xi, which means x means 10, I means 1. So here 1 means I is at the right side of the higher value, which is higher value 10, and I is smaller, x is higher, so I is at right side of the higher value, then that time we have to add them. So we add 10 plus 1, what we get? 11. Got it? Then next, rule of subtraction. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of a higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the greater value. If a smaller value is at the left of a symbol of a higher value, that time we have to do subtraction. Here I is smaller, x is higher, and I is at the left side of a x. So that time we have to subtract smaller value from the higher value. So we subtract here 1 from 10. What we get? Number 9. So Ix represent the number 9. Okay. Then next, if the symbol V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. What is this rule? The symbol V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. The number 45 can be written as 50 minus 5 means what we get? 45. 50 minus 5, what we get? 45. So कैसे लिखा हमने इसको? 50 मतलब क्या? 50 मतलब L, 5 मतलब V, but this is not right because symbol V, L and D can't be subtracted. So we have to write this at another way. We have to write this at 40 plus 5. देखो 40 plus 5. If we write it as, then we get number 45. So number 40 is represent XL and number 5 represent V. So XLV is the number 45. XLV is the number 45. Then next, these points you have to remember. I is subtracted from V and X only. What is this? I is subtracted from V and X only. V and L are never subtracted, I have seen, and X is subtracted from L and C only, and V and L are never repeated. V and L are never repeated. The next is, here is an example. See, write in Roman numerals. The number is 37. So how we write number 37? 30 plus 7. What is the Roman numeral of 30? Is 3 times x. And this Roman numeral of 7 is VII. So if we add them, what we get? X X X V I is the Roman numeral of 37. Then next number is number 43. How we write it? 40 plus 3. 40 plus 3, और 40 को हमने कैसे लिखा? 50 माइनस 10, बिकॉज 40 मतलब क्या होता है? 4 टाइम्स x, बट x ओनली रिपीट मैक्सिमम थ्राइस, सो दैट टाइम we convert 40 into 50 minus 10 plus 3. So what is 50 minus 10 means? XL. Good. And 3 means 3 times I. So what is this number? XL. I is the Roman numerals of number 43. Okay, you have understand? If any queries, ask me.